The Southern African Development Committee SADC is likely to discuss the diplomatic tensions between Zambia and Zimbabwe and its Ministerial Committee of Organ on Politics, Defense and Security Cooperation to be held 11 to 12 July 2024, Lusaka, Zambia. Achipere mushe mure Zimbabwe, tikuona kuti SADC inofana kugara pasi chiresolve dispute between Zimbabwe neZambia on the 11th and 12th, but tikuona kuti ndo the same date pakurohwa maSADC protest against maflawed elections aitika munyika yeZimbabwe or against human rights violations munyika yeZimbabwe. Saka bena mashoko buda nyoko muzara nasi tibwa subscribe like kuti now the bell icon tipinda muri kwa mchinzi. SADC senior officials met from 8 to 9 July 2024 at the Mulumbushi International Conference Center in Lusaka, Zambia, ahead of the meeting. According to the statement by the regional board, the upcoming meeting will consider matters arising from the Interstate Defense and Security Committee and emerging threats to peace and security in the region. The diplomatic row between Zimbabwe and Zambia erupted last month after video surfaced of Zimbabwe President Mnangagwa complaining to Russia leader Putin about Zambia's relationship with the Western countries. The SADC Organ on Politics, Defense and Security Cooperation was established in 1996 to promote peace and security in the region. The organ is currently being chaired by Zambian President Hichilema, who will be succeeded by Mnangagwa next month. The post is rotational. Saka ndo mashiko arubuda pana bzvinza aiwa vari kuda kuya kuzoresolve the dispute between Zimbabwe neZambia, but tikuona kuti they are coming to resolve panhau yemashoko atakwa naID Mnangagwa ku Russia kuna President Putin, but at the same time tikuona kuti maSADC protest ndo pari kutsva amene uchapera mushere muRezimbabwe. Tudze mafungiro enyu pinai kumene section medu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.